Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy Karela. First, wash and peel 2 to 3 Karela, also known as bitter gourd, then slice them into 1/4 inch rounds. Next, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt over these slices and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial for reducing bitterness. After 30 minutes, rinse the Karela thoroughly with water and squeeze out all the excess bitter juice. This preparation ensures a delicious final dish. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the prepared Karela slices and sauté them until they are lightly browned and slightly tender. Remove the Karela from the pan and set aside. In the same oil, add 1 finely chopped onion and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Sauté this mixture until the onion becomes translucent and the aromatic raw smell of the ginger garlic paste disappears, creating a fragrant base for our gravy. Next, add 1 finely chopped tomato to the pan, along with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Cook this mixture, stirring occasionally, until the tomato softens completely and the oil begins to separate from the masala. This indicates the spices are well cooked. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of water and bring the gravy to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This forms the rich base for our Karela. Finally, return the sautéed Karela slices to the simmering gravy. Mix everything well, ensuring the Karela is thoroughly coated with the flavorful sauce. Continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the Karela is tender and the gravy has thickened to your desired consistency. Garnish with fresh cilantro if you like, and serve hot with roti or rice. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.